Welcome back to Travel Story on Earth channel. Subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to see where fire meets ice. Yes, welcome to Iceland, a land of dramatic contrasts and breathtaking beauty. Iceland is a country where fire meets ice, where volcanoes tower over glaciers, and where the northern lights dance across the midnight sky. August is the perfect time to experience Iceland's unique charm. The weather is mild, with long days and plenty of sunshine. The landscape is lush and green, and the wildlife is at its most active. Iceland is a country of unparalleled natural wonders. From its towering glaciers to its bubbling hot springs, Iceland is a feast for the senses. The island is also home to a rich culture and history, which is evident in its charming villages, ancient sagas, and vibrant art scene. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or simply a chance to connect with nature, Iceland has something to offer everyone. Iceland is a place where you can truly get away from it all. There are no crowds, no traffic, and no pollution. Just you and the raw, untamed beauty of nature. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Icelandic adventure today. Reykjavik, Iceland's vibrant capital, is a city where old-world charm meets modern sophistication. Start your exploration at Hallgrímskirkja, a towering church visible from almost every corner of the city. Next, immerse yourself in the architectural marvel of Harpa Concert Hall. Stroll down Laugavegur, Reykjavik's main shopping street, and explore the boutiques, art galleries, and cafes. As evening descends, experience Reykjavik's legendary nightlife. Embark on an unforgettable journey along the Golden Circle, a popular tourist route encompassing three of Iceland's most iconic natural wonders. Begin at Thingvellir National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site of immense historical and geological significance. Here stand on the Rift Valley, marking the crest of the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates meet. Next, witness the geothermal wonders of Geysir. Marvel at Strokur Geyser as it erupts every few minutes, shooting a tower of boiling water high into the air. Explore the geothermal area, dotted with bubbling mud pots, steaming vents, and colorful mineral deposits. Continue to Gullfoss, one of Iceland's most spectacular waterfalls. Hear the roar of the Vita River as it plunges into a deep canyon, creating a mesmerizing display of raw power. Walk along the marked trails for different perspectives of the falls and feel the spray on your face. The Golden Circle offers a captivating blend of Iceland's geological wonders, natural beauty, and historical significance. It's a journey that will leave you in awe of the forces that have shaped this incredible island. Journey along Iceland's picturesque south coast, renowned for its dramatic landscapes, waterfalls, and black sand beaches. First stop, Seljalandsfoss, a graceful waterfall creating a curtain of water. Next, Skogafoss, known for its wide, powerful cascade. Continue to Reynisfjara, a black sand beach with striking basalt columns. Stop at Vik, a charming village with a picturesque church overlooking the sea. The south coast of Iceland offers a journey of breathtaking beauty and raw natural power. Jokulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, a breathtaking spectacle of ice. Prepare to be amazed as you arrive at Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, a mesmerizing glacial lake filled with giant icebergs that have broken off from the nearby Breiðamerkurjökull Glacier. Witness the icebergs, shimmering in shades of blue, white, and turquoise, as they slowly drift across the lagoon towards the sea. The ever-changing sculptures of ice create a surreal and breathtaking spectacle. Take a boat tour on the lagoon for a closer look at the icebergs and a chance to see seals swimming among them. You can choose from amphibious boat tours or smaller zodiac boats that get you even closer to the ice. As you sail among the icebergs, listen to the sound of ice cracking and the calls of seabirds. The lagoon is a haven for wildlife, and you might also spot Arctic terns, skuas, and even the occasional puffin. Jokulsarlón Glacier Lagoon is a place of serene beauty and a testament to the power of nature, offering a truly unforgettable experience. The Blue Lagoon, relaxing in geothermal waters. Indulge in the ultimate Icelandic experience with a visit to the Blue Lagoon, one of Iceland's most famous attractions. This geothermal spa offers the perfect opportunity to relax and rejuvenate after a day of exploring. Immerse yourself in the milky blue, mineral-rich waters, known for their therapeutic properties. The water's warmth will soothe your muscles and leave you feeling refreshed. The Blue Lagoon is conveniently located near Keflavik International Airport, making it an ideal stop either upon arrival or before your departure. The lagoon's unique setting, surrounded by black lava fields and with steam rising from the water, creates an otherworldly atmosphere. Enjoy a drink from the swim-up bar, try a silica mud mask, or simply relax in the warm water and soak in the stunning surroundings. The Blue Lagoon is a must-do experience in Iceland, offering a chance to unwind and connect with nature's healing powers. The Snaefellsnes Peninsula, Iceland in miniature. Embark on a scenic journey to the Snaefellsnes Peninsula, often referred to as Iceland in miniature due to its diverse landscapes concentrated in a relatively small area. Here you'll find everything from majestic mountains and volcanic craters to rugged coastlines, charming fishing villages, and black sand beaches. Start your exploration at Snæfellsnes National Park, crowned by the magnificent Snæfellsnes Glacier, a 700,000-year-old stratovolcano, made famous by Jules Verne's novel, Journey to the Center of the Earth. Hike through the park's diverse landscapes, marvel at the volcanic formations, and enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding area. Next, visit the iconic Jökulsárlón mountain, one of Iceland's most photographed landmarks. Its unique, freestanding shape and the nearby waterfalls make it a photographer's dream. Explore the nearby village of Grundarfjörður, known for its charming harbor and stunning views of Jökulsárlón. The Snaefellsnes Peninsula is a microcosm of Iceland's natural wonders, offering a memorable adventure for nature enthusiasts and photographers alike. The Northern Lights, a celestial dance of color. While August is not the peak season for the Northern Lights, you may still be lucky enough to witness this celestial spectacle towards the end of the month, as the nights start to get darker. The Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis, are a natural phenomenon caused by charged particles from the sun interacting with the Earth's atmosphere. The Northern Lights appear as shimmering curtains of light, dancing across the sky in shades of green, pink, purple, and white. There's nothing quite like witnessing this magical display firsthand. It's an experience that will stay with you forever. To increase your chances of seeing the Northern Lights, head away from city lights to a location with clear, dark skies. Check the aurora forecast and dress warmly, as the nights can be cold. Seeing the Northern Lights is a matter of luck and patience, but the reward of witnessing this celestial dance of color is well worth the effort. Icelandic cuisine, a culinary adventure. Icelandic cuisine is a unique blend of traditional and modern influences, with an emphasis on fresh, local ingredients. Seafood plays a prominent role in Icelandic cuisine, so be sure to try the fresh catch of the day, whether it's cod, haddock, or salmon. You can find excellent seafood restaurants in Reykjavik and other coastal towns. Another must-try Icelandic dish is lamb. Icelandic lamb is known for its tender texture and flavorful taste thanks to the animals grazing on the country's lush pastures. Try the traditional lamb soup or roasted lamb, often served with root vegetables. For a truly adventurous culinary experience, try some of Iceland's more unusual delicacies such as hakarl, fermented shark, skyr, a thick yogurt-like dairy product, or even whale meat, though it's important to be aware of the ethical considerations surrounding whale hunting. Icelandic cuisine offers a unique culinary adventure for those willing to step outside their comfort zone and try something new. Practical tips for traveling to Iceland. Here are some practical tips to help you plan your trip to Iceland. The currency in Iceland is the Icelandic krona, ISK. The official language of Iceland is Icelandic, but most people speak English. The weather in Iceland is unpredictable and can change quickly. Be prepared for all types of conditions, even in summer. Renting a car is the best way to explore Iceland at your own pace. However, if you're not comfortable driving in winter conditions, there are also bus tours available. Accommodation in Iceland ranges from budget-friendly guest houses to luxury hotels. Book in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak season. Pack layers of clothing, including a waterproof outer layer, warm hat, gloves, and sturdy hiking boots. Iceland is a very safe country, but it's always important to be aware of your surroundings, especially when hiking or exploring remote areas. Iceland's nature is fragile, so it's important to be respectful and follow the leave no trace principles. Memories for a lifetime. Iceland is a country that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. From its breathtaking landscapes and natural wonders to its vibrant culture and friendly people, Iceland offers a travel experience unlike any other. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a chance to connect with nature, Iceland has something to offer everyone. So start planning your Icelandic adventure today. Discover the land of fire and ice, create memories that will last a lifetime, and experience the magic of Iceland for yourself. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel by pressing bell icon. We will be back with our new travel story with new place. Till then, have a safe travel.